All right, so git.checkoutType controls what type of branches are listed when running checkout to. And you have a few options here. So you have all, local, remote, or tags. So all just shows them all. So if you run checkout, and let's go to this repository, and you see them all. You see the local one and the remote ones, right? If you set just to local, you'll only see the local ones. If you set this to remote, obviously you're only going to see the remote ones. And remember that master exists on the remote as well, so that's why it's showing up here as well. And tags, so only master has a tag, right? I do enjoy seeing them all, so I'm gonna leave this one with the all option so that I can see all the branches that exist here locally and on the remote repository as well.